Are your hormones crying out for balance, but you're tired of conventional methods that leave you feeling more frustrated than fulfilled? You're not alone. Millions of women are silently navigating mood swings, fatigue, and stubborn weight gain, searching for answers. Today, we're diving into a transformative natural solution that works with your body, not against it. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava's Avatar, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. If you're ready to reclaim your energy, clarity, and confidence without the side effects of synthetic treatments, this episode is for you. Let's explore how natural injection therapy can help bring your hormones back into harmony. And if you really want to get the most out of your therapy, stick with me. I'll share one timing technique that can dramatically boost your results by working with your body's clock. Understanding hormonal imbalance. Let's start with the foundation. Hormone imbalances are more common than most people realize, especially for women in their 30s, 40s, and beyond. You might notice symptoms like chronic fatigue even after a full night's sleep, irritability, anxiety, or mood swings, trouble losing weight despite healthy habits, low libido, brain fog, and memory lapses, irregular menstrual cycles, or painful periods. These aren't just signs of getting older. They're messages from your body, signals that your internal chemistry needs support. Hormones are your body's messengers, guiding everything from your metabolism and sleep to your emotional balance and immune function. And when they're off, even slightly, it can impact every area of your life. That's where natural injection therapy comes in. Why injection therapy works. Unlike oral supplements, creams, or synthetic medications that take time to absorb and often lose potency during digestion, injection therapy offers a targeted approach. By delivering essential nutrients, vitamins, and bioidentical hormone compounds directly into your system, your body can begin to rebalance and repair almost immediately. For example, vitamin B12 injections can support adrenal function and reduce fatigue. MIC, methionine, inositol, and choline blends support liver detoxification and fat metabolism. DHEA, or bioidentical progesterone, can help support mood, sleep, and reproductive balance when used appropriately. The result? You begin to feel better faster. With professional guidance, these injections are safe, personalized, and aligned with your body's natural rhythms. No guessing, no more wait and see. Just smart, science-backed support. Why pairing injection therapy with holistic care is a game changer. Now, here's where we elevate your healing journey. When you pair injection therapy with holistic tools like acupuncture, mindful nutrition, and nervous system regulation, the results amplify. Why? Because your hormones don't function in a vacuum. They respond to everything: your stress levels, sleep habits, digestion, and emotional wellness. Acupuncture helps regulate the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis, which is central to hormone balance. Functional nutrition ensures your body has the raw materials it needs to metabolize and activate hormones. Stress reduction practices like breathwork or grounding reduce cortisol overload, which can suppress thyroid and reproductive hormone production. By addressing the whole picture, mind, body, and energy, you create an environment where healing becomes inevitable. This is the difference between chasing symptoms and building sustainable wellness from the inside out. Bonus tip: the power of circadian synchronization. Here's the secret: your hormones operate on a rhythm. And when you time your treatments in harmony with that rhythm, your results multiply. This is known as circadian synchronization. Aligning therapy with your body's natural peaks in hormone production. For instance, cortisol naturally rises in the morning to wake you up. Melatonin peaks at night to support sleep. Estrogen and progesterone levels shift with your monthly cycle. By syncing your injection sessions with your cycle and your daily energy peaks, your body is more receptive and the therapy is more effective. We customize timing strategies for every client because your hormones deserve that level of intention. So if you've been feeling stuck, foggy, or just not like yourself, please know this. You're not broken. Your body is communicating, and there is a natural path forward. Injection therapy paired with holistic care can help restore the energy, joy, and balance you've been craving. And you don't have to do it alone. If this resonated with you, give this video a like, share it with a friend who needs it, and hit subscribe for more grounded wellness guidance every week. And when you're ready for personalized support, book your one-on-one consult with us. Link in description. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced.